All right, MPIAN, good luck, man. 2013 Inception football, single box personal. Marshall 69 down for Inception for Phil soon. All right, sounds good.
Number 2, James Rocky, Charlie Black and dropping up. Gene Segura coming all the way from shortstop. Check this out.
I think you got a redemption in there.
There we go.
All right, MPIAN, good luck, man. And thank you. You got Adrian Peterson parallel 33 of 199. Sidney Rice base, not numbered. Schaub base, not numbered. Ridley, parallel 62 of 75. Bottom corner's a little flared out on that. Let's go off the back. And you got Dion Jordan, 31 of 86 on the jumbo jersey. All right, man, on to your hits. Good luck. Big one color. Of Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers. And this is number 146 of 345. Cordell Stewart. And then you got a redemption. Good luck, man.
A woman and her truck. A woman, her truck.
It's going to be an auto jumbo patch purple parallel.
And 2 bodies with 1 body.
Purple L.
And a ribbon that goes on her wall.
Come on, man. Oh, yeah, it is a mini 2 color. I just saw your text. There we go. Some focus. Alright, auto jumbo purple patch parallel. Good luck. It's Jordan Reed for the oh, that's PC though. For your PC, Jordan Reed. Auto jumbo patch. Purple L, Jordan Reed. Alright, MPIAN, thank you very much, sir.